Hey everybody, we're going to be doing a review on this one as well. This one is a brain dead steam cleaner. So it comes with all the accessories, and I've been wanting to get one for like doing like the little rug that we have in the dining room, sofas, chairs. So we will be doing a review on this. This also steam cleans your grout and tiles. Where was this when we had the other shower? Alright. It's not cordless. Okay. This reminds me of the old-fashioned coffee pots. Okay. So we got our different nozzles.
And that shows you all that there.
Yes.
Got the steam and iron, a funnel, measuring cup, window wiper. Oh, window wiper. Cloth cover, nozzle head, angle nozzle head, brush head,
Oh, that must be
extension head.
Because it's got the rubber on it.
Yeah. That's
If you
cool.
got shower doors, that would be perfect. So yeah.
Yeah, and that's a window wiper.
It's got a little steamer here. It's nice. A little scrubby. Oh, that must be for the grout. There we go. Huh. Nice. Oh, that all moves around in there. Lovely.
And basically, that's probably where you would fill the water up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's what makes the steam.
It's like a thermos in there.
Yeah. Looks like it's got copper in there. So BB's going to be trying this out as well. I like it because it has a lock and an unlock. So you're not killing your hand trying to hold it. And
Yeah, because it's high power, 8-foot cord, 0.8. Versatile 10-in-1 design. 180 rotary degree nozzles. And that's everything that comes in the box. And then you can see in the back here, dissolves dirt and grime. Which is good too, because if you have like what we have back there, that splashboard is
granite,
right.
ceramic,
You
stone.
can
You can use this.
right, because you know how the oil splashes there.
Gets into the grout.
Yeah.
So that would be a good way that you know it's really, really clean. So like I said, we're going to be doing a couple videos on this. I do want to try it. I'm going to try a little small area on the dining room rug.
You could do your car seats with it.
Yeah. Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Your car rugs with it as well. Get a stain there. But the car seats, especially car seats.
Yeah.
But like I said, what I like about that is that, it does the grout and stuff. So we'll check it out. Get this all
we're definitely
together.
gonna check that part of it out because
And see what we can get ourselves into.
a big mess.
Even tells you right there the water capacity. The steam and temperature is 230 Fahrenheit. Continuous use.
Well, yeah, because
avoid frequent unplugging during long time use. 2/3, 250 milliliters of water, which is approximately 2/3 of the tank capacity. All right, so we'll start all that there.
Yeah.
And we'll see what we can get ourselves into. And that's the angle iron,
Besides a hot
the
mess.
brush heat.
Yeah, and this goes over the like this. It's kind of like my steam mop that I have, the little pads.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's gonna be good, and it's washable.
And then this.
That's good if you had an extension cord. You could do the inside and outside of your windows. And your bathroom shower doors, those things get...
That's what I said. This would be perfect for a
Yeah.
shower door. Because you know how scummed up they get.
Yep.
I don't care how clean you are. Soap scum is soap scum.
Alright, so we'll get ready and we'll get on it and we'll show you.
That's why we didn't get shower doors. It's too much to take care of.
Alrighty, I've read the instructions. No soap needed. Basically, you open, use a funnel, 250 milliliters of water, close it, put your accessory, plug it in, wait 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to use this one here. Let's get it filled up. Again, no soap needed. This is just all steam. I'm not going to use the other accessories to it because what I'm going to clean is basically the oven, and I don't need all those. But this does a lot than just what I'm going to do. Like in here, the grout, it does a lot. So basically 250 milliliters is 1/4 liter. And if I went on this side, it looks like it's 1 cup and 1/4. All right, if I measured everything right, I have my funnel. And remember, do not plug this in while you're doing this. That's it. I'm gonna take it for what it's worth. Wish I can see in there, but all right, I added a little bit more than that. It wasn't that much, but whatever 250 milliliters is. And then we're gonna screw the top on and get it on nice and tight. Okay, as soon as I plugged it in, that light comes on and that will tell me when it is ready. Like it says, it takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. What I'm gonna do is the oven. I don't know if you could see it, but you see the stains right there. But I'm gonna get more than just the glass. I'm gonna get this whole area. I mean, the oven's not that bad, but I don't want it to get worse. I see a lot of stain back there. And here, I'll probably do it because there's usually oil splashes up there. But my main goal today is to get this oven cleaned up, and I'm gonna try these right here just to see if it takes it out. It's not like I got a lot to do today, so oven cleaning with this. Now, instead of using that sponge thing that it has on there, I have some clean, dirty rags that I will throw away. Like I said, they're clean, they just look dirty, but I could throw these away. And then, like I said, we'll see. See, when I thought it was 250 was too low, no. 250 is perfect because I added a little bit more and then look. So it's got to be 250. All right, but make sure 250, like I said earlier, do not add more, even though it doesn't look full. Okay, Let's do it now. Let's see what this sucker does. I noticed it's the hottest thing in the market, this thing here. And the reason I'm doing this oven is because, you know, this is what we neglect a lot to do. I know some of them have self-cleaning, but still. Ooh, that sucker's strong. Alrighty. Yeah, not bad. Wow, but yeah, it got a lot of it out. Not bad. Let's see how shiny it is. I got a little. I mean, I still got some work to do here, but overall, love it. If you've seen it before, that sucker works. Now let's see if it does this. Let's get the rag and see. Oops. Yeah, that's on there, but the gooey stuff is off of it. Not bad. I can see through it now. So overall, it did a pretty good job. Still some brown stuff on there, but that's going to be on there. But it got a lot of the gooey stuff, especially on the bottom in the back area over there. Majority of that window got off. That there just got to get a little bit more work to it. But as I keep doing it, it'll come off. So that's not bad. A couple things I did notice. This is a safety lock so that you can't press it while it's on. This top will not open up until all the pressure is out of it. And then the top will unscrew. But as long as there's pressure in there buildup, this top will not open up. So, not bad. Make sure it's unplugged. Whatever war you have, just leave it upside down for a few minutes. And then you can put it back into your box.
All right, guys. Now that we've done the review, I think it's a great little steam cleaner. Cameraman needs to learn not to put so much water in it and give it time to heat up. I think it would be a really great gift for somebody, or for yourself. I mean, it did a really great job on the stove, on the sink. So, I mean, that helps a lot. Less scrubbing. So
yeah. I mean, do what the directions say. It's 250 milliliters of water. I thought it wasn't filled up. Now I know why. Because it's building up steam, pressure,
right,
and everything. Then all that would have been steam coming out, not with the water. But at least in the video, it shows you something.
Yeah.
I never used it before. You learn from your mistakes. It's a good product.
Yes.
And as you use it time and time, it will get better.
You'll get better at it.
Yeah. And it can be used in a lot of areas. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
not
especially
just
a lot of grimy areas.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, and your oven, unfortunately, is, even though they're self-clean and you clean them, there's still a lot you can't get off.
Yeah.
Especially the older we get, we don't have as much scrubbing power in us elbow grease.
Yeah.
So, yes, I highly recommend this product. It's a nice little steamer.
And the links and stuff is in the
description below. So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.